Welcome to Happy Trail Backpacking, where the journey is all about embracing the beauty of the great outdoors. Out here, it's not about the destination. It's about those quiet moments when you feel truly connected to nature. From the rustle of leaves beneath your feet to the sound of rivers carving their way through the mountains, every step is a reminder of nature's wonder. Join us as we discover breathtaking trails, hidden gems, and the simple joys of being outside, where every view is a reward in itself. Whether you're chasing a sunset, finding solace in the quiet forest, or simply breathing in the fresh mountain air, nature has a way of grounding us and reminding us to slow down and appreciate the beauty around us. So come along with us at Happy Trail Backpacking, where we find joy in the little things and the beauty that nature has to offer one step at a time. Subscribe and join the adventure.